Hello engineers, today we are discuss about current transformer. Current transformer is essentially a step down transformer which step down the current in a known ratio. In primary of current transformer consists of one or more turns of thick wires connected in series with the line. Secondary of current transformer consists of large number of turns. Basically current transformers are used for two purposes. First one is protection and then metering. Protection cores are used for relay, trip coil and etc. Metering, so like ammeter and wattmeter reading. Design wise, current transformer classified three types. One is pole type, this one is pole type or post type, and center one is bar type, and another one is window type. Current transformers are basically connected in series. The entering point is P1 and outgoing point is P2. Now I explain the current transformer nameplate detail. Look this image. There are two cores in current transformer. Core 1 have a ratio in 700/1 amps. Primary reach 700 amps, secondary output will become 1 amps, and core 2 the same value. VA means burden rating. Core 1 have a burden 10. Burden rating depends on the secondary load. Core 2 is a special protection, so there is no burden rating mentioned there. Class 0.5, this one is metering core, and core 2 is a protection class. ALF means accuracy limit factor, and ISF means instrument security factor. Accuracy limit factor for production CT and instrument security factor for metering CT. VK means knee point voltage. Only production core have a knee point voltage. Look this image. Core 2 have a 280 volt knee point voltage and IE at VK by 2. That means leakage current at VK by 2. You inject the secondary side voltage 140, that reach the leakage current 30 milliamps, and type wound type and window type there are same. IL, which means insulation level 76 kVp. HSV, high system voltage 12 kV, withstand 12 kV. STC, short time current, occurs at 26 kA for 3 seconds. It withstand 3 seconds for 26 kA means kilo amps. And frequency, working frequency 50 Hz. Insulation class B. There are 5 different classes available. Insulation A, B, F, N, H. That means maximum winding temperature. Insulation class B, withstanding temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. A 105 degrees Celsius, F 180 degrees Celsius, N 200 degrees Celsius, H withstand 220 degrees Celsius. And RCT means resistance in current transformer. When the temperature varies, it increases the resistance level. So core 2 5 ohms resistance in 75 degrees Celsius.